I didn't get it all off, it's okay. Whew. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. Today I am doing an eyeliner tutorial video with 3 different looks, including the fox eye, the regular cat eye, and then an everyday eyeliner look that you could use. This look right here is a little bit more of the fox eye. This is my favorite eyeliner that I personally do. I also go over a little bit about eye shape and how you can really find what eyeliner fits your eye shape best. So if you're interested in seeing the tutorial for how I do each of these looks, and a little bit of that explanation, please continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So today we are using the Master Precise All Day Maybelline New York Felt Tip Liner. It's honestly a really nice liner, and I would compare it to a dupe for the Kat Von D tattoo liner. That's the one I typically use. However, for this video, I thought we could use something a little bit more inexpensive, and that does pretty much the same job. Just to get started, this is the first basic winged liner, the cat eye style, and then I will be doing the fox eye style, and then just like a little more grunge, soft eyeliner look. So please stay tuned and we'll get started first with the cat eye. So the first thing we'll be doing is just drawing a straight line outward, following your lower lash line. After that, we'll be going kind of towards the middle of it and just drawing like a smaller triangle. And then filling in the little space. And then connecting it into the middle of your lash line. Like so. So at this point, you can either decide to thicken it up by continuing to add smaller lines towards the bottom, or bring it out a little bit more and create a thicker top of your wing. This one's just a pretty basic cat eye. It's a smaller one. You could totally bring the line out farther if you really wanted to. I like to keep cat eyes very small. So next we will be doing the fox eye liner. This is where it kind of goes outwards a little bit more. This is really popular with like all of the big supermodels, Bella, Gigi, Kendall. I didn't get it all off, it's okay. So the goal of a fox eye is to create almost like a flat top and elongate your eye. It's making your eye kind of go straight out, like the tip makes an almond shape. We are going to, instead of creating the bottom line, create the top line first. So I'm just going to start here, kind of in the corner, because this is where it's gonna all connect, like that. And we're gonna just go out. Okay, then we are going to want to make the top more straight, because it does have this little dip right here. So going back in with the tip and just begin attempting to make it flattened out. So that is the fox eye. See, it's more pointed outward instead of going upward. I always like to bring it onto my lower lash line just a little bit, because you can then fill it in with a black, and it really just kind of like makes your white of your eyes pop. We're just gonna take her off. Gosh, that was such a nice little wing. Ooh. Okay, so this is the more natural wing that you can wear like every day if you just wanted a little bit of extra pop. So we are going to just start by doing the top. So this is just like an everyday liner look that you can do, and you can use a dark eyeshadow shade to kind of blend the bottom over, and I think it just like elongates your eye, gives you that like eyeliner I tried look without being like whew. So very subtle. It does go a little bit more down, as you can see, compared to like upward, but it's all about the shape of your own eye. It's a matter of experimenting with the angles of which your eye, if you want to follow your top lid like I just kind of did, or if you want to follow your bottom to get a cat eye, or if you want to go straight out and get more of a fox eye look. Definitely 3 that can get you started. Why am I still zoomed in? Definitely 3 looks just to get started with. It'll take some practicing. This is, again, a pretty dang good liner if you don't want to go break the bank. It's got a nice little tip. Thank you so much for watching to see how to put on eyeliner, Lauren Schaefer edition. Hello, and thank you so much if you made it this far in the video. If you did watch the entire video, comment a cat, because winged eyeliner, and I don't know why, but I think of cats. So comment a cat emoji. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out some other videos on my channel. I hope you have a great day.